Which shortcut is used to copy selected text or files in Windows?
Answer.
What happens when you press Alt plus F4?
Answer.
Which key combination locks your PC?
Answer.
Which shortcut opens File Explorer?
Answer.
Which shortcut is used to undo the last action?
Answer.
What does Win plus Shift plus S do?
Answer.
Which shortcut reopens the last closed browser tab?
Answer.
Which shortcut switches between open apps?
Answer.
Which shortcut opens the Run dialog?
Answer.
What does Ctrl plus A do?
Answer.
Which shortcut pastes copied content?
Answer.
Which shortcut opens Windows settings directly?
Answer.
What does Ctrl plus Y do?
Answer.
Which shortcut minimizes all open windows?
Answer.
Which shortcut switches between virtual desktops?
Answer.
What happens if you press Win plus V?
Answer.
Which shortcut creates a new folder in File Explorer?
Answer.
Which shortcut bookmarks the current web page in a browser?
Answer.
Which shortcut opens Quick Link menu?
Answer.
Which shortcut focuses on the address bar in File Explorer or browser?
Answer.
Which shortcut opens the emoji picker in Windows?
Answer.
Which shortcut refreshes a window or web page?
Answer.
What happens if you press Win plus P?
Answer.
Which shortcut lets you rename a selected file or folder?
Answer.
Which shortcut quickly shows the desktop without minimizing apps manually?
Answer.
How many out of 25 computer questions did you answer correctly? Drop your score in the comments section, and if you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more challenges.